Hello traders, welcome to our channel Trading Flow. If you haven't watched our previous videos, please do watch our previous videos. These are the videos which we have posted earlier, and we will be going to post some of the important content videos further in future. So please do watch our videos and subscribe our channel. If you want updates regarding our latest videos, please click on the bell icon. So in this video, we will be going to see the prediction, that is Bank Nifty and Nifty 50 prediction for tomorrow. This is a 3 minutes time frame chart of Nifty Bank. So here you can see today market has opened with a gap up of 288 points. That is yesterday it has closed at 37,340, and today with a gap up of 288 points, market has opened at 37,628. So we had a huge gap up today. So mostly Nifty has tried to cover this gap up today. Just remember one thing, that whenever we will be having a huge gap up, then in that day it will try to cover that gap up. That is you can see here it had a 288 points gap up, and later it tried to cover this gap up and almost it reached the previous close. So similarly, whenever we will be having a gap down, Nifty will try to cover that space, that is gap down space. So remember this. By this point we can know one thing, that whenever we will be having a huge gap up, it will try to cover those gap, and we will be having a position at PE side. That is, we will be having a long run positions at PE side. We will be having a falling at Nifty Bank. So market has opened at 37,628, and it has raised till some extent. That is, these are the previous resistance lines based on yesterday's chart. So market has tried to reach this second resistance line, that is R2 has been achieved. That is, it has crossed the R2, and then we had a small fall, and again it went up till R2. That is, again it has touched the resistance level second. Again it still had a downfall. Here you can see there is a shape of symmetrical triangle. That is, we got a symmetrical triangle shape. So whenever it has breaked this symmetrical triangle, that is, whenever we will be having a break at this symmetrical triangles support, so we will be having a downfall. So this is a confirmation, and here we will be having an entry at PE side, and there is a small downfall, and it took a support here. Here there is no previous support, but it took a support here, and again it got raised till here. That is, whenever its symmetrical triangle shape is formed, then the support line will be extended further. So here you can observe that Nifty has touched this resistance. Here this previous support has acted as resistance, so it took this line as a resistance, and we have a small downfall, and entirely you can see this most of the time we had a sideways. That is, it has run between a particular resistance and support level, but later, that is at the end of the day, whenever this Nifty has breaked this support line, then we had a downfall nearer to the previous support line. This is a support line which we had yesterday. So it had today, the Nifty has came nearer to the previous support line, and closed at 37,358. So completely on observing this, you can see that it tried to cover this gap up. That is, it had opened with a 288 points gap up, but it lastly tried to cover this gap up. So this is today's market, that is today's Nifty Bank. Now we will see tomorrow's prediction. Here in 5 minutes time frame also we had one more confirmation. In 3 minutes chart we got a symmetrical triangle here, and in 5 minutes chart this is also a symmetrical triangle which we had formed today. So here you can see we got a symmetrical triangle, and whenever we got breaker this support line, that is symmetrical triangle support line, we got a downfall, and it stopped nearer to the previous support line. This is that is here. So coming to tomorrow's prediction. So today ultimately market has closed nearer to the previous support. So if tomorrow this Nifty crosses this support line, then it will take next support here, that is it will go till here 37,100. So if at all we will be having a gap down tomorrow, huge gap down, then it will try to cover that gap down. So we will be having a long run position at CE side, that is to cover that gap down it will raise. So we will be having a long run positions at CE side. If it has a normal gap down, then it will reach till this support. So finally we can say that if tomorrow we will be having a normal gap down, and if it breaks this support, then it will go till here, that is 37,100. If at all if it has a huge gap down, then it will try to cover that gap down, and it will have a position at CE side, that is we will be raising, market will raise in CE side, so we can have a long run positions at CE side. So this is tomorrow's prediction, guys. If you like this video, please do like and share our video, and if you wish to join our Telegram channel, link is given in the description. Please click on the link. Please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.